Stop calling on your Android until you change these privacy settings. Start by launching your Settings app. Now scroll down and navigate to the option Apps. From the list of apps, find Phone and launch it. Once inside, scroll down and tap Change System Settings. This option is usually turned on by default, allowing the phone app to change system settings without your approval. It's a good idea to turn this off, so you can only control system level changes. Next, go back and tap Permissions. Here you'll see a long list of permissions the phone app has access to. Some permissions like call logs and contacts are necessary, but others are not. For example, location access is not required just to make or receive calls, so you can safely set location to don't allow. Likewise for the photos and videos, music and audio, and SMS. In most cases, the phone app does not need access to these, so you can turn them off as well. Depending on your phone and how you use it, you may choose whether or not to allow SMS access, but anything unnecessary should be disabled. The goal is to leave only what's essential. After that, open the phone app itself. Tap three dots in the top right corner and go to Settings. Tap Caller ID and Spam Protection and make sure this feature is turned on, so spam and scam calls are automatically blocked. Next, check call recording settings. Some phones record calls automatically or store recordings without realizing it. If you see recorded calls listed, you can choose to delete them or set recordings to auto-delete after a certain period. Finally, make sure your calls are not being forwarded without your knowledge. Open the dialer and type #21#, then tap call to check your call forwarding status. If call forwarding is enabled and you didn't turn it on, dial #002# and tap call to disable all call forwarding immediately. Once you have completed these steps, your phone calls will be far more private and secure, and now you can safely start calling again. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.